How to cut vinyl with Silhouette Cameo 4. Step 1. Open Silhouette Studio and go to the Library tab. Step 2. Now search and select the design you want to use. Step 3. Select the design in the media, click the Fill Color drop-down and select a color. Step 4. Resize the design. Step 5. Make a duplicate of the design and drag it aside. Step 6. If you're using Silhouette Studio Basic Edition, go to the Modify panel from the right toolbar, then go to Shapes and select a rectangle. Step 7. Click and draw a rectangle over the elements you want to remove and click Subtract All. Step 8. Repeat the same steps to delete all the elements you want to remove from the design. Step 9. If you are using Silhouette Studio Business Edition, go to the Layers panel. Step 10. Click Ungroup in the Quick Access toolbar, select the elements and click the Delete button on the keyboard. Step 11. Repeat the same steps to delete all the elements you do not need in the design. Step 12. If you wish to add more elements to the design, go to the library, then search and select a design to use. Step 13. Once the design loads into the media, go to the Layers panel and select the design. Step 14. Click Ungroup and delete the pieces that you do not need. Step 15. Right-click the element and click Flip vertically. Step 16. Click the Fill drop-down and change the color. Step 17. Resize it and position it with the first design. Step 18. Select all the designs and reposition them. Step 19. Go to Shapes and select a rectangle, then click and draw a rectangle on the media. Step 20. Now go to the Transform panel, select the second tab and then change the dimension to the size of the design you need. Step 21. Select the design, resize it and place it inside the rectangle. Step 22. Once done, select all the designs and click Group. Step 23. Now go to the Send panel and reposition the design if required. Step 24. Set the material to Vinyl Action to cut and Tool to Auto Blade. Step 25. The cut settings will be defaulted based on the material you've selected. Step 26. Check the settings and increase the force, speed or passes as required. Step 27. Place the vinyl on the mat, load it on and start cutting. Step 28. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat and peel off the material from the mat. Step 29. Grab the weeding tool and weed out the design. Step 30. Grab a piece of transfer tape, peel off the backing sheet and place it on top of the vinyl. Step 31. Scrape down the transfer tape using the scraper tool to ensure that the design adheres well. Step 32. Peel off the backing sheet, then make some cuts on the sides of the transfer tape. Step 33. Place the mug on the surface, grab the vinyl design and line it up on the mug. Step 34. Smooth out every part of the transfer tape onto the mug to ensure that every part of the design adheres well. Step 35. Once you're done transferring the design, peel off the transfer tape. Step 36. Use the scraper tool to remove any bubbles and wrinkles from the vinyl design. Step 37. Make sure to smooth out every part of the vinyl and you're done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480